Hi everybody, today we're going to be making club sandwiches, so let's get started. Into my bowl I have shredded chicken and mayonnaise. I also have black pepper, cucumber cut in half, and hot sauce. I have salt to taste and shredded carrots. And I'm just going to mix all of that together. And then once I'm satisfied, I'm just going to put them on my pieces of bread. You can use whatever bread you choose. I'm using plain white bread. And we're just going to put our shredded chicken mixture onto the bread and put another piece on top of it, and there you go, you have your delicious club sandwiches. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.